we're gonna look at the sum of product and product of sum. Actually, what are these standard sum of product and product of sum? These are actually standard forms of expressing Boolean expression. And why should we keep the Boolean expressions in this standard form? Because it makes us easier to simplify them and to evaluate them. So that's the importance of these things. Beginning with the sum of product, just like the name suggests, it is involving summation of things that have already been multiplied. Just as you can see the examples here, A and B, there's a product of A and B, there's a product of A, B, and C, which have been summed together. So there comes the word sum of products. There is a special note in this sum of products that a single variable can have a complement on it, but not a complement cannot be over two variables at the same time. So it's very important to note this. Here there are just some simple examples. You're told to convert these expressions into SOP, and actually what we're gonna do is just multiply these. For example, here we're just gonna multiply the B to the rest, and here you're just gonna multiply, and you're gonna get the sum of product expression. But as we move forward, we are going to see that this sum of product has got a standard form, and in this standard form, what do we mean? When we speak of the standard form of the SOP expression, we're actually meaning that it must contain all the variables in the domain of the expression. What do we mean by saying that containing all variables in the domain of the expression? Let's look at this expression over here. As you can see, it is involving A, B, C, and D. But when we look at some products, when we look at this product is lacking D, and here C is lacking, and also here all of them are available. So in order to make this in a standard form, there should be a D here and a C here. That means all the variables should be participating in each product. That's what they mean by the standard SOP form. So the standard SOP form should look like this. You see, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Yeah. So what do we do in order to convert it to a standard SOP expression? We just apply one Boolean law, and this law is just taking the variable that is missing plus its complement. Yeah, we are going to apply this law in order to change it into a standard SOP expression. So let's take a look at a simple example. So here they're just saying the steps that you're just going to look at the variable that is missing. So you take that variable which is missing and its complement, and you're gonna add it to that. You're gonna multiply it to that product in order to change it to the standard form. So let's look at an example so that we can understand more. For example, here we see here D is missing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take D and its complement, D plus its complement, and we're gonna multiply with this product. Then it's gonna be in a standard form, just as you can see here what they've done. When we move to here A, B, we see that there is, and actually here it's a typing error. The bar is on A separately and on B. So what we're gonna do, first we're gonna multiply it with C plus C complement, and later we're gonna multiply it with D and D complement.